We are. Mitake Gorge. This feels like the big bridge. Oh wait, is it? I know the bridge you're speaking of. Yeah, here we are. Smoothie shop. Patty boy here. Kind of place 4 years ago, coming to Japan the first time, would have just been blown away. Simplicity, smoothie. We're at the gorge. We're having fun. Gonna get down to the river. Go ahead. Come on in. Vendor here, the old sake house on the river. Sick. Okay. Here we go. Soba. The river. What can you ask for? Onigiri. Rolled rice ball. This is what I wanted more than anything once coming to Japan for the first time. Simple.
Really? I think mine was melon bread.
The Colorado Rockies.
Yeah. Strong. Oh yeah. Got deep. Going nowhere quickly. Oh my god. This is a cold one.
Oh man, that's a memory. That's what we play for.